Thank you for showing your support.
Thank y'all, you know what I'm saying? I'm about to put it on tonight, you feel me?
Pistol Pat.
Oh, this is me right here.
Put your hands together for this one.
Yeah.
Thank you. I
thank y'all for starting y'all support, man. We gonna put it on tonight, you heard me?
We about to set it on fire.
This is Pistol Pat.
Let's go.
Look, I got my foot in the door, now you bitches can't stop me. I told them I was confident, look on me, I was cocky. But it's my time to shine, something will catch me. Call me Mr. HD, I love my haters. You pussies can't break me, I got the game on lock. Tell me who won't break free. I'm lyrical gifted, but then I gotta thank the G. I keep it hip-hop alive, niggas taking me. But I thank y'all, you told me I'm the one. In the song, look what I've done. Until they pay my time, say I am God's gift. On my dick, trying to leave me with that bad. You see me on my bad. I can take a lot of really why the bullets penetrate. My motherfucking fist break. Motherfucker, I am this great. Man, you rappers starting to look like shit place. No homo, but I don't like that shit taste. Yeah, it's not loud. Tell me how you gon' do that, boy. I'm from the city, I don't know that. The murder capital, when these niggas attacking you, the jungle. It's real, homie. Telling me how it is, homie. So pay attention, I'm about to give you the biz, homie. It's for my ladies right here. We don't want to do one out right now. It's hot in the city, I ain't done with it. You know what it is, huh? Got it. On it. Take it out. My ladies here. I'm what I do with me that, huh? You know what's up. You know what's up. You know what's up. Yeah. You know what's up. You know what's up, shorty. I ain't gotta tell you about it. I take the clothes off. Let me see you come about it. I'ma beat it up. I ain't trying to make love before you came to the crib. You know what it was. You know what it do. You know what it is. So put the bullshit aside. Listen, bitch, I got the right to come and bring me the fix. I'm not your old man, but I can be your friend. Check my resume, swag like a brother kid. Shorty get bad, I think that shit was everything. You get a dose of me, I can be your medicine. I might be young, but I bet you I can hand it up. That sexy body, not pose for the camera. Kodak, I know when I first saw ya. You was flying and smile just for so gorgeous. Swag on, shorty, I had to call ya. Got it. My name is beautiful here, man. Get up. All night. She got me tweaking like a fiend for this sexy body. I finally got her out the door, now she wanna ride me. I love it when she call me Poppy, and I call her mommy. You know my flag is official, ain't nobody like me. I mean my flag is too official, niggas wanna copy. But why you checking out me? I'm checking out your wife. I got her egg right out, now she really like me. I put this song on, and the niggas get excited. They call me Mr. Beat It Up, and I ain't talking rocket. Shorty, cause I'ma beat it up like I'm back fighting. She got the whole thing where I ain't even blind. Didn't wait, the face turn up back down. Tell you this sick is you know that I can break y'all. Your whole bang, to shake it off. What you talking about? No, I ain't gon' eat it up. Let's sing it over here, shorty, I'ma beat it up. You got it, I'm on it. Take it out. You know what's up. You know what's up. You know what's up. You know what's up. I gave a good job, good pleasure. Put it in my life, now she down for whatever. I ain't got an argument just to get off the floor. Shorty be rushing me, but I'm trying to take it slow. And she wanna take it fast, I do want it on the back. She really get it from the front, now I get it from the back. She addicted to that, and she want it everywhere we at. I ain't know we was on in our life. So I'm back to a man. Now that nigga bitch, why you mad at me? And you know that I'm the shit. So you roll on me. I say